Alright guys, I hope this design with me helps inspire you to create your own custom treat bags, especially since Valentine's Day is right around the corner for your kiddos. If you're interested in the template that I used to create this design, you can find a link for it in the description box down below. If you're interested in the digital paper that I used in this design, you can head on over to SthrngurlCreations over on Etsy and check out their site. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you won't miss any of my future videos, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when I post a new video. Thank you all so much for watching and see you next time. Bye.